Hola and welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing video. My winter edition FabFitFun box has arrived and it's like Christmas all over again. I get really excited when my boxes come in because they are filled with goodies and full-size goodies. Let me explain that. If you are not familiar with FabFitFun box, this is a subscription box that comes to your door 4 times a year. I actually really prefer receiving something 4 times a year than on a monthly basis because I cannot keep up with my monthly subscriptions. They just overwhelm me and then they end up getting piled up somewhere within my house. I decided to just stick with this box because full-size items and it's only 4 times a year, so it kind of lets me breathe a little bit, as the way I like to see it, and I don't get overwhelmed or bombarded with a ton of stuff. And this is one of my favorite unboxings that I like to do, so I'm going to share with you guys what's in my box. So like always, there is a newspaper and it gives you tips and tricks and articles, and it also describes the items that you're getting, and it gives you a little summary of the retail price that they go for. I think I found mine. And the first thing that I pull out is a necklace. Not a big fan of it, honestly. I'm not big on chokers. And the choker retails for retails for $19. No, it does not. $58. The choker retails for $58. And then I've got a Kate Somerville exfoliating treatment. I'm a big fan of Kate Somerville. I really like her products. This retails for $75, and the tip is to exfoliate twice a week in the shower, where the steam will help activate the enzymes. Next, I've got a deep sleep pillow spray. So you spray this on your pillow to help you relax and fall asleep easier, and this retails for $49, and the scent is a lavender. I like it. Very nice. Yep, so you just spray this on your pillow or your bed cover before you go to sleep, and then use it to promote rest and relaxation. Then I've got socks and more of that little paper stuff that I actually really hate. Super cozy socks. These are aloe infused cozy socks. Treat your feet to these aloe-infused soothing socks post-workout or simply while watching your favorite Netflix show. $19, and the tip is to wash cold and tumble dry low to ensure that these babies last 25 to 30 washes. And next, I've got a mineral hand cream lotion by Ava. It retails for $33. And the tip is to apply to clean hands several times a day, especially after washing. Next, I've got this eyeshadow palette, which has 8 matte and shimmer shadows along with 1 highlighter. And these silky smooth powders will glide on for a smudge-free finish. And it retails for $70. I won't even try to pronounce the brand because I know I will butcher it, but it is spelled D-O-U-C-C-E. And my hair is like all over my face. The tip for this one is apply dry for natural finish or apply wet for a long-lasting dramatic look. Moving on to the bigger pieces of the box. Here we have a Homemade by Aisha curry mug, coming in hot. This cozy oversized cup was designed with love by Aisha Curry, New York Times bestselling author, TV host, restaurateur, chef, and mom. It's perfect for all your favorite beverages, whether it's hot cocoa and marshmallows or something a little more grown up. It's wink wink, enjoy. This retails for $16. Item that attracts all the paper mache things that they throw in here. This is a BB Dakota poncho. Let's see, I have to move my box for this one. Oh, cute. Is this a two-tone? How do I have this? Oh, there we go. Oh, so apparently it's reversible as well. Kind of cute. Something a little different. I definitely don't have a poncho in my wardrobe, so, and like I said, it's double-sided or reversible, so you can either wear the gray out or the black. The poncho retails for $70, and wrap a belt around the poncho for a more defined silhouette. And last but definitely not least, these are probably my favorite items that came in the box. This is by Grace and Stella, and these are anti-wrinkle energizing eye masks. This package retails for $16, and the tip is to try wearing them at the same time as your favorite face mask. So these are right up my alley. I actually really like these. I'm a big fan of masks of any kind. I prefer to spend my time and effort in maintaining a healthy skin as opposed to applying makeup. I just not very good at applying my makeup. I'm very minimal when it comes to it, so I just rather have the healthy skin in the event that I don't have time to apply makeup, because that tends to happen quite often to me. I am perfectly fine with just applying a little concealer, a little mascara, and a little lip balm, and I can walk out the door without a problem. So, and that concludes my FabFitFun box, the winter edition. Hopefully you guys found it somewhat interesting, and I almost forgot the flex portion of the video. As I've promised in the past, towards the end of my videos I will do a flexing for you guys. I am not wearing the appropriate shirt today, but I will try my best right now. And I don't think that came out very well.